Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
Wow, this clothing store looks
Everything
amazing.
looks beautiful.
Shall we go inside together?
Of course, new dress.
I also need some new clothes today.
Welcome, we have a special sale today.
Let's start shopping.
Welcome to Fashion World. Thank you. This store is very clean. I like the modern design. Please take your time. We are looking for stylish clothes. I'll be happy to help you.
Thank you very much.
There are so many beautiful dresses.
And the shirts look fantastic.
Everything is from our new collection.
The colors are very attractive.
I like the blue dress. It is one of our best sellers.
Let's have a closer look.
Which dress do you like?
I like the blue one.
Really? I like it too. It matches your style perfectly. Thank you for your advice.
You will look wonderful.
I'll try it on.
I need a new jacket.
This black jacket is very popular.
It looks elegant.
I think it suits you.
Really? Thank you.
Please try this size.
Sure, I'll wear it now.
The fitting room is this way. Thank you very much.
I'll try my jacket first.
I'll try my dress too. Take your time. We will be back soon.
I hope you enjoy your shopping experience. Wow, this jacket feels comfortable.
This dress is so beautiful.
How do I look?
You look very handsome.
Thank you. You look amazing too.
Both of you chose excellent outfits.
Let's see them in the big mirror.
I love this color.
It matches your eyes.
Really? That's so kind. The fitting is perfect.
I think Maya should buy it.
I think so too.
Quality always makes a difference.
Would you like to try another style?
Yes, I'd like a casual shirt.
I want a stylish jacket. Please follow me.
This blue shirt looks nice.
And this white jacket is beautiful. Excellent choices.
Oh no, this shirt is too small.
Really? Let me see.
I can't button it.
That's funny. Don't worry, I'll bring a bigger size.
Thank you. That was embarrassing.
Here is the larger size.
Let me try it.
I hope it fits well.
Perfect. It feels great.
You look very smart. I totally agree.
I'll definitely buy this shirt.
Now let's look at shoes.
Good idea.
Our shoe collection is on the second floor. You'll find many new arrivals there.
I'm excited.
I'm excited! Let's continue our shopping adventure. Welcome to our shoe collection. Wow, there are so many beautiful shoes.
I need a pair of black sneakers.
These sneakers are very comfortable.
They look stylish.
I think they are perfect for you.
I'll try them on. These shoes feel very light.
Please walk a few steps.
They fit perfectly.
You look confident in them.
Thank you for your opinion.
Comfort is always important.
I'll take this pair.
I need a matching handbag. This beige handbag is very popular. It looks elegant.
It matches your
outfit.
It matches your outfit.
Yes, it looks perfect. Then I'll buy it.
These are our newest arrivals. They look fashionable.
I love the modern designs. They arrived this morning.
The quality looks excellent.
Can I see that green jacket? Certainly. Here you are. Today we have a special discount.
Really? That's wonderful.
How much is the discount? You can save 20%.
That's a great deal.
We are lucky today.
Enjoy the shopping festival. Let's check everything again.
My dress, handbag, and jacket are ready.
I have a shirt, jacket, and shoes.
Your choices are excellent.
Quality clothes last a long time.
Would you like some fashion advice? Yes, please. I love new ideas.
I want to improve my style.
Choose clothes that make you feel confident. Confidence is very
I
important.
completely agree. Good style begins with confidence.
Blue and white look great together. I love this color combination.
Black also matches almost everything.
That's absolutely right. Which color suits me best?
I think blue looks perfect on you.
Thank you. I'll choose blue. Blue and white look great together. I love this color combination.
Black also matches almost everything.
That's absolutely Which color suits me best?
I think blue looks perfect on you.
Thank you. I'll choose blue. I need a necklace. This silver necklace is elegant.
It looks beautiful.
I also need a bracelet. This one matches the necklace. I'll take both.
Great choice. Excuse me, I have a question.
Of course. How can I help you?
I can't find my shopping basket.
I saw it near the mirror. I'll bring it for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is everything okay? Yes, your staff is very helpful.
We are enjoying our shopping. Thank you for your kind words.
Customer satisfaction is our priority. We can see that.
This store feels very welcoming.
I think we're ready to pay.
Yes, we found everything we needed. Please come to the checkout counter.
The shopping was fun.
I learned many new English words today. Welcome to the checkout counter.
We are ready to pay.
Please scan these items. Certainly, I'll do it now.
Everything looks perfect.
Your total is ready. Thank you. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. I will pay with my phone. Both payment methods are accepted. That's very convenient. Please complete your payment. Congratulations! You received an extra discount.
Really?
That's wonderful!
How much did we save?
You saved even more with today's offer.
That's fantastic.
Shopping here is a great experience. We have a surprise gift for you. A gift? That's exciting.
Thank you so much.
It's a small token of appreciation. We really appreciate your kindness.
We hope you enjoy it. We definitely will.
Today was an amazing shopping day.
I enjoyed every moment.
Thank you for visiting our store.
Oh no, where is my shopping bag?
Don't worry, let's look for it. What does the bag look like? It is a large black shopping bag. I'll help you search.
Please stay calm. We'll find it. Thank you, everyone.
Is it near the fitting room?
I don't think so.
Let's check the men's section.
I'll check the checkout counter.
I hope someone didn't take it. Don't lose hope.
Ryan, I found your shopping bag.
Really? That's
It was
wonderful.
left at the payment counter. What a relief.
Thank you for finding it. You're always welcome.
Please check that everything is inside.
My jacket is here.
Your shirt is here too.
My shoes are also inside.
Is everything complete?
Yes, nothing is missing.
That's great news.
I'm very happy now.
Always check your belongings before leaving.
That's a good lesson.
I'll remember that. It can save a lot of trouble.
Thank you for your advice.
We learned something useful today.
Learning makes every experience. This was a wonderful shopping trip.
I enjoyed every moment. Thank you for visiting Fashion World.
We look forward to seeing you again. Welcome to today's fashion challenge. This sounds exciting.
I'm ready to join. Show us your best style.
I'll do my best.
Let's enjoy the challenge.
Good luck to both of you.
You have 5 minutes to choose an outfit.
I'll pick a classic blue blazer.
I'll choose a beautiful red dress.
Both choices look wonderful.
I like simple fashion. I love elegant designs. Time is almost over.
Please walk confidently. I'll stay calm.
I'll keep smiling. Excellent posture.
Thank you.
This is so much fun.
Everyone is impressed. Ryan, your outfit is stylish. Thank you very much. Maya, your dress is elegant.
I'm happy to hear that. Both of you have great fashion sense.
We appreciate your support.
Thank you, everyone.
It's time to announce the winner. I'm a little nervous.
Me too.
The winners are Ryan and Maya. Really? That's amazing!
We won together. Congratulations to both of you.
Today was unforgettable.
I learned many new English words. You both did an excellent job.
Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you for everything. Maya, I need your help.
Of course, what's the matter?
I want to buy a birthday gift for my sister.
That's a lovely idea. We have many beautiful gift options.
Can you show us some, please?
Certainly. Follow me.
This pink handbag is very popular. It looks elegant and modern.
I think my sister will love it.
It comes with a matching wallet.
That's perfect.
Let's take this one.
Great decision. Could you wrap this gift, please?
Certainly. I'll wrap it beautifully. I like the silver wrapping paper. I'll add a golden ribbon too.
That sounds wonderful.
The gift will look amazing. It's ready now.
Would you like to add a gift card?
Yes, that's a nice idea.
Write something from your
Happy
heart.
birthday. Wishing you happiness every day.
That's a beautiful message. Your sister will be very happy.
I hope so. Ryan, you earned enough points today. Really? That's exciting. You can choose a free cap or a scarf.
The cap looks stylish.
I'll take the cap.
Congratulations on your reward.
Thank you so much.
Today was full of happy surprises.
Yes, I found the perfect gift.
We hope you enjoyed shopping with us.
Thank you for choosing our store. We'll recommend this store to our friends.
See you again very soon. Goodbye.
Have a wonderful day. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.